A lot of you have been asking me, how do I add another Instagram account to my phone? Or how do I add another Instagram account without setting up a whole new phone number or email address? Because you can only have one Instagram account per email address or phone number. Well, I'm going to show you both of those things in this video. Let's get into it. Hey, what's up people? My name is Jerry Potter. Welcome to 5 Minute Social Media. If your business is feeling stuck with your social media or you're new to social media, we are here to release another helpful video using the world's simplest strategies to move you forward and generate revenue. If that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. All right, my name is Jerry Potter. Yes, it rhymes with a boy wizard. And today I'm gonna show you how to add another Instagram account. More and more people now have a work account and a personal account, or they have a public account and a private account. Whatever the reason, you can now have up to 5 accounts logged in for most people. Some people have as many as 7, but that's not official from Instagram. But I'll show you how to add another one to your phone right now. In Instagram, to start off, go to your profile. You do that by clicking on the little picture of your profile picture on the lower right there. That brings up your profile here. And then all you have to do is actually tap your name, your username there at the top. And it will bring up this list of other accounts. I already have a bunch on my phone. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see Add Account. Assuming that you don't have too many logged in already, you can tap that there. And then it'll say, do you want to create a new account or do you want to log into an existing account? Those are your 2 choices. So if I want to log into an account that already exists, brings this up. And that's all I have to do to log into an additional account. Now, when I'm here and I want to switch between them, as you saw before, they're all here. So if I wanted to switch to one of these other ones, I can just tap on it and it'll go there. Then I can go back to the profile of this one, tap at the top, go back to mine. Now, if you want to open another Instagram account without having to set up another email address, here's how you can do that. When you go to create that new account, as you go through the steps, you're going to get to the screen where you're going to have to put in a phone number. You're probably not going to get a second cell phone number just for an Instagram account or an email account. Now, you could just make up another account, but the other thing you can do, this works, I know, for all Google Gmail type accounts, and I believe it works on some other ones as well. You can take your address, so mine is jerry@5minutesocialmedia.com, and I can add a plus sign after the Jerry there, and then I can add whatever I want. So I could make it Jerry plus Instagram 2 at 5minutesocialmedia.com. And that will automatically, and look at that, now I have it, fresh new username. And that will automatically go to that same email account, but Instagram sees it as a different one. So again, I know if you use G Suite or Gmail, this works. I believe it does work for some other accounts, but I'm not 100% positive. Well, if you have multiple Instagram accounts, you're probably pretty busy. Cut your social media workload in half. I've put 6 of my favorite ways to do that in this free guide. You can download it right now. Get the link in the description of this video. Any questions about what we talked about, drop them in the comments. And if this was helpful, consider giving this video a like. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home. And I will see you in the next video.